Assalamualaikum class, how are you all? Class, let's start our today's work with the articles. Do you know what are articles? Articles are the words that define a noun as a specific or unspecific, which means articles they are actually defining the noun, that whether the noun is special or not, whether the noun is specific or unspecific. Now consider the following examples. After the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. The cup of tea. By using the article the, we have shown that it was one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. You see, the word the with the cup shows that that cup of tea is become special now. That cup of tea, there might be some so many cup of tea, like everyone makes a different kind of cup of tea. So in this sentence they are telling about the specific cup of tea, that only cup of tea tasted good, the others are might not. And when they are using after a long day, a cup of tea tastes particularly good, it means it's a normal thing. A long day, it means it was a normal day, and it means it was a normal cup of tea. So by using the article a, we have created a general statement implying that any cup of tea would taste good after any long day. Do you understand the difference between a and the? The actually shows actually always it uses with the specific or with the special things, and a is uses with the general statement and also with the singular. Now let's learn something more about a, an and the. When to use a, when to use an, and when to use the. A is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal or thing which are not specific. Noted the point to be noted that which are not specific, as we have just understood in the previous slide that the is used only with the specific things, a and an are not used with the specific things. Okay, now what's the difference between a and n? We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns, and this is the same with the n. We don't use n before uncountable or plural nouns. So the difference is that a is used with the consonant and n is used with the vowels. What are the vowels now? A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 letters of vowel. With these 5 letters of vowel, we will use N, and rest of the alphabets are known as consonant. For example, B, C, D, F, G, J, F, G, H, etc. All these letters rather than the vowels are known as consonant. So with the consonant we will use a, and with the vowels we will use n. For example, a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor. An apple, an egg, an ant, an orange. Point to be noted that all these are singular. A cat, single cat. A bird, single bird. An apple, single apple. An egg, single egg, etc. Now come to the word the. When to use the? We use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable, to describe someone or something specific or unique. Now, point to be noted that the is used with all the singular, plural, countable or uncountable. It doesn't matter that whether the word is single, whether the word is plural, etc. It can be used with any specific name, with any specific or unique word. For the, it is must that thing, that name should be special. For example, the earth, the world, the sky, the air, the weather. Have you noticed that I used the earth, the air? Why? Why I changed my pronunciation to the with the? To the with the. Why? Whenever the word is vowel, I will say the earth. You see, the first letter of the earth is vowel, so I'll say the earth. The first letter of the air is vowel, so I'll say the air. Other words are not vowel, so I'll say the world, the sky, the weather. Yes, children, many times you must have noticed that sometimes or many times we are not using any article. We are not using a, we are not using an, we are not using the. Why? Because there are some conditions where we are not supposed to use any kind of article. Let's see. Number one, when we are talking about general things. For example, milk is good for you. I'm telling a general sentence, milk is good for you. I'm not telling about any specific milk. I'm not saying I'm just saying a general. I'm just discussing about the general things. So I'm not supposed to use any kind of article. The next is when I'm talking about any sports and games. Let's go and play basketball. If I talk about any special game, then I might use the. But when I'm talking about the general things, I'm talking about the sports and games, then I'm not supposed to use any kind of article. Next is before the names of countries: Japan, France, Italy, etc. Except the UK, the US, etc. You see the special words, the UK, the US. You see they are the continents. So I'll use UK, US. With other country name, I'm not using any article. Okay?